Ladies and gentlemen, Crypto Mercy, welcome on my channel. Very happy to be with you. And we're going to go over a couple of things here. I want to show you how I was able to predict this crash yesterday of BTC. Now, in my private Telegram channel, I posted this chart right here. I would not be surprised if the current situation, if BTC is looking at 47.1K now. Also, look at this, 47, 43.8, 20, and 35 were possible targets in my opinion. Now, I said if 52K doesn't hold, we go to 48K. Okay, all right. And 43.8K is monthly support too. I specified this. I was surprised we go that low, but it was a possibility inside the chart, and I'm going to show you why I was able to predict this. And also, I provided many videos yesterday to warn everyone for BTC and Ethereum. Anyway, join that. It is not expensive, and you will have access to many live chart. This is my live chart page, and you will have access to all my Elliott Wave counts for all those token coins inside the cryptocurrency world. And look at this. Let's go inside. Let's deep dive inside BTC, and I want to show you how I was able to predict that Bitcoin was in danger and going to go right here on this Twizzler top. And this is what happened. Even lower than this, Bitcoin grabbed the 0.618, and that is very interesting. Let's go. Just want to be sure it is not a subscribers chart. All right. Now, I talk about this inside my video. Just listen to what I said. Now, just back, I want to show you here how I was able to warn my subscribers and said, be careful now. Okay, first, Twizzler top happened with this close November 1 monthly close. I'm on the monthly chart. Twizzler top is candle, closing. This was the close, and this was the opening of this candle. And we close this candle here with a Twizzler top. This is what we call a Twizzler top. It's a candle patterns. It's a candle pattern. Now, the things I said to my subscribers, I said, this is a Twizzler top with a shooting star candle, which means we must wait for the next one. And if we are creating a lower low and we go under 53.3, this is a confirmation that we will go lower and probably test the next monthly support. This one or this one. This is a Twizzler top, this is a Twizzler bottom. We grab all the liquidity on those monthly support. Why the monthly chart? Why the monthly support? Because BTC is struggling. Things is this is not LT. This was not LT because Bitcoin was able to create a higher high, but the RSI says no. This is not organic. The buyers are not there. The momentum on the buyer's side is not there. Watch out. Be careful. Bearish divergence class A. This is what it was, and it was pretty dangerous. And I warned everyone yesterday. This is experience, and I'm very happy to be able to share all those experience that I have with you. And I hope you will continue to follow my channel and come on my website at crypto-mercy.com. Go inside the shop, and you will have the choice to have access to the old private Telegram channel with my live charts page, Or if you want to, pay less, you can have access only to my live chart access. But I really recommend that you watch my video because it comes with many educational videos. Also, I'm going to be honest, I'm working on an Elliott Wave and candle reading book, and it should be ready in January, and I'm going to be very happy to present you that very soon. Now let's go back, and this is the Bitcoin chart I provided yesterday. I said, okay, this is an ABC in flat. Now, what are the probable targets for an ABC in flat? One of the most probable was the 61.8, the 100, and the 123. Those are, the most probable targets for Bitcoin. Now, is it over? We're gonna go inside the subcount and we will try to figure out really inside this subcount, because inside an ABC in flat, okay, I'm gonna show you, this is more educational, but I think it is really important that you understand this. An ABC in flat is very simple, okay? When you take your retracement fib and you take the ultimate top to the ultimate bottom and you bring your B wave fibs, there is only two possible targets. If the price reach back on the 0.9, you have an ABC in flat, or on the 123. But one of the rules that it really is important is that you need to have an ABC inside your A wave, because if it's an impulse down I mean by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's an impulse down that you have inside your A wave, you're gonna have a zigzag ABC. You're not gonna get a flat ABC. But when you think that, and you can read that it is possibility that inside the A wave that you have an ABC, watch out. Okay, watch out. This is possible that the B wave will stop right here or right here. There is only two possible targets for a B wave in flat, the 0.9 or the 123 fib. After that, and this is where we are inside the C wave, you can start to subcount, because there is only one possibility inside that C wave. It's an impulse down. And this is what we are seeing right now for BTC, an impulse down. Let's go and subcount this impulse down. This is the first wave, and we're gonna check if this can be wave 5 or wave 3. Okay, let's put this impulse away right now. Let's take the trend-based fib extension tool. We're gonna click over this on point 0, bottom of 1, top of 2, and we want to figure out the most probable target for a wave 3. And look at this, perfectly reach the 361.8, which means confirmation of a wave 3 right here. And we're gonna have a wave 5 next, which means now, to be honest, we are going up inside wave 4, and we're gonna come back down to create a truncated wave 5, or we're gonna go truncated, mean that we're not gonna go lower than 361.8. But if we want to go, if they want to bring us lower, in my opinion, a perfect target will be 40k, 39.1, 40k. That region is perfect to end this wave 5. Now I explain you that we reach a very nice target for a wave 3, and what are the possible targets we can have for a wave 4. Let's figure out right here, and we're gonna bring this on top of 2, bring the wave 4 targets, and we're gonna switch this, sorry, all right, and the max is the 0.618, which means First possible targets for wave 4 is the 0.24, 0.3, but the most probable zone is in between 0.5 and 0.3, which means in between 49.5k and 54, sorry, in between 49.5k and 54.3k is possible Bitcoin will come back this in that zone. And watch out, after this we're gonna have another wave down, and this can be powerful. I'm gonna show you, per example, if we are coming up around, back up around 53.2k, which I think it is a very nice resistance that can happen in around that region. I'm gonna show you where with the trend-based fib extension we can go. And let's go, let's do this. Let's bring wave 5. Yes, I know there is a lot of fibs. I'm going to take this out. I just want to be sure that I'm on track with the bottom right here of this little wick. All right, and we are right on it. Very, very cool. And now the most probable targets for if we are going back, this is just an example, but the 100 fib becomes possible, but less probable would be a truncated wave 5, the 161.8, and look at this, 35.8k. And I'm gonna be honest, it is really possible that we're gonna go to 35.8k, and I would not be surprised if this is going to happen, but it will be the strongest, the lowest target I'm seeing now inside the chart. Now, if we go on the 0.382 and we stop there at 51.4k, this is another possibility of 33.6. And look, if we are going only at the 0.3 at 49.5, we can see that we have a very nice correlation now with 39k and 32.3k, which would be in the, it's why it is important for me as a Elliott Wave chartist and a candle reader to figure out those correlations, but we cannot figure them out before I need to get some candle close confirmation. Also, I will combine those possibility with those correlations right here that we have, which mean for me right now it's an example, but if we are going back very close and not able to go higher than 49.5, it is possible that we're gonna go back down at 42.6, 38.5, or 32.3, 31.7, something like this. And this has nothing to do with a bear market. Nothing to do with a bear market. It's only a cycle wave 4. If anybody is telling you that there is some possibility that we are going inside a bear market, this is not what I count, sorry. Now I'm inside a cycle wave 4, inside an ABC and flat, and I don't have any problem with this. It's a pretty normal pattern inside Elliott Wave chart. All right, because overall, this is the last up of the bull market that we had around 20k. This is the bottom of the bear market we had around 3.3k. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and we will end this wave 4 on one of those target, and after that we will go inside cycle wave 5. This is what I'm seeing now. Circle Fib are saying that we're gonna go around to $215,000. This is and I watch my last video if you want. I'm explaining exactly the Circle Fib They predicted every top of every cycle. And even if Bitcoin is taking its time right here, it doesn't mean we are falling in the bear market at all. I'm not seeing this right now at all. All right. Now, what can I say? And I explained that in the last video. Bitcoin and Ethereum were crazy RSI, momentum, MACD not following at all. This is problematic when you create an higher high and the momentum on the buy is not on the buyer side. This had hide something pretty dangerous, and it's why we are retracing. And it's okay, wave 4 are complex and they can take a lot of times. Thanks for being here. Wish slowly you can learn a little bit and join the old private Telegram channel. You're gonna learn a lot, and I'm telling you, this is nothing compared to what you're gonna get back. Just ask any subscribers that joined the whole. I think it's gonna be the best investment in your life. Best to you. I love you a lot, and thanks for being here. I'm really grateful.